Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide servers on Discord. So first of all, open Discord app on your mobile device. Now once you come here, just go to the server you wish to hide and then tap on the server's name that you see on top. So let's tap on the server's name. Here we go. Now once you come here, tap on the option of notifications with the bell icon on it. Now over here, tap on the first option, that is mute on top. Now over here, you can choose any of these options to mute from. I'm going to choose this last option, that is until I turn it back on. Now after this, if you go back, over here you'll see the option for hide muted channels. Now over here, just simply turn on the toggle for this option. Now all the channels and servers you have muted will be hidden. So that is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.